Hello everyone and welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Holiday season is right here, so me and my family thought to share something with our neighbors and friends. And I got this wonderful idea from a Facebook friend Lena. So I'm not only sharing these yummy goodies, I'll be sending a little letter along with that, which will tell you, being a Muslim, what I think about Christianity or Jesus or Mary, according to our Quran teaching. So today I made ice cube chocolate candies. I'll be sharing recipe and how to package them, and then I'll show you how I deliver to my neighbors. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy treat. So first we need some good quality cooking chocolate, some vegetable shortening. For filling I'll be using some raisins. Then I have some chocolate ganache. It's my homemade chocolate ganache, chopped peanuts. I'll have some chopped almonds. As you can see, they are not finely chopped, they are like in bigger chunks, and they are roasted. Then I have some caramel syrup. I'll be using sundae syrup, but you can use whatever syrup you have on hand. Then I'll be filling candy with some other candies, and for that I have some Andes mint chocolate. And then I'll be using some peppermint candy cane. I chopped it in a little Ziploc baggie. And then I have some Reese's peanut butter cup. I'll be using marshmallow. I couldn't find any mini halal marshmallow, so I chopped the bigger ones. Then for the molds, as I already mentioned, I'm making ice cube candy. So this is ice cube tray. And the best part is that it's little shiny, so your chocolate will turn out to be shiny and glossy. I'll be using these star tray, and then you can use any shape. So this flower shape mold is just an example. To serve, I'll be using this mini cupcake liners. I have some plain, and then I have these silver ones. So these are all the fillings which I'll be using today. The possibilities are endless: Nutella, peanut butter, and whatever yummy stuff you can think about. So the first step is to melt your chocolate with your vegetable shortening. I'll be melting it in the microwave, but you can use double boiler method as well. So when your chocolate is completely melted, shiny and glossy, then take your mold. Make sure your mold is completely clean. If there is a teeny drop of water, it's gonna ruin your chocolate. I'll be using these little spoons to fill up my mold. If you wanna get a little fancier, you can use a new paintbrush or a pastry brush. So what I'm doing here is take a spoonful of my melted chocolate and putting in each cube and dragging over the sides, so all the sides are equally covered. If your chocolate consistency of your chocolate is a little thinner, you can do second coat as well, but my chocolate was thick enough, so I didn't need to do any second coat. Just repeat the same process for each cube. So when all the cubes are completely covered with the chocolate, just give it a tap on your countertop, so all the air bubbles will come out. You can tap it upside down as well, so if you left any corners or edges, they will get covered with the chocolate. And then it off to the fridge until it's completely almost set for 8 to 10 minutes. My ice cube tray is out from the fridge, and now it's time to put some filling. My first filling is some chopped almonds, and then I top that with some chocolate ganache. And then I use some chopped peanuts, and then I drizzle some caramel syrup on top of it. And then as you can see, my little instructor and chocolate lover is here. So we filled other ones with some Reese's cup, mint thins, marshmallows, some chopped candy canes, and then you can mix and match the filling as well. So I add raisins and almonds in the second one with chocolate ganache, and my last one was chocolate ganache only. And now I need to finish this up by topping each cube with the rest of the melted chocolate, and it should be nicely melted but at room temperature. Now few taps on the countertop, so if there is any air bubble, it will come out, and if there are any sides are left, the chocolate will drip out on those sides. And then this will go in the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely set. Now if you're using any mold, which I'm using right now, like this, which has a very sleek and skinny edges, so just make sure that with the help of any pastry brush or the spoon, you are covering each and every corner, and after you cover, just make sure you tap on the countertop so the chocolate will drip down and cover if there are any edges or sides left. Rest of the stuff, filling and everything will be same as I did before. So my ice cube chocolate are completely set in the fridge, and now it's time for the big reveal. And I'm just using the old-fashioned way to take the ice cubes out just by flipping them over. So here you can see my shiny ice cube chocolates are out. For the star mold, it's a little bit tricky, but it's a silicone mold. You have to push from back and just push the edges, and as soon as the edges are loose, just press with the thumb, and then here you go. Star chocolate is out as well. Now I'm cutting into one just so you guys can see how great they look from inside. And this is the one with some peanuts and caramel is oozing out. So my taste tester, they came into the kitchen. Let's see what they have to say. Mara, you wanna try it?
Yeah. Wait, I forgot which one is this one. I'll check out.
You think our neighbor's gonna like it?
Yeah. This is good.
So I transfer each piece into individual mini cupcake liners. I used plain one for my ice cube chocolates, and I used the silver one for the star chocolates, just because the star ones are slightly smaller than the plain ones. And now for the packaging, I use these gift boxes. They come in pack of 4. I bought them from Dollar Tree, and they come in 2 different designs, and the base is plain white. The problem I faced when I bought them, they are actually a little more deeper than I required. So I did a little DIY with the box. I trimmed the edges, and now you can see they are not that deep. So this size is the regular size, and then you can see the final box which I am using right now. Then I bought this curly ribbon according to my holiday theme from Dollar Tree. Then I bought these wax paper from Dollar Tree as well. They are 8 sheets in this one package. They are like 4 printed and 4 regular white. I bought that to put it in the base. So this is my complete package box. I put these wax liners at the bottom of the box. I put my candies. Then I put these decorative shred in the middle just to decorate and to use it as a filler as well. Then I bought these little mini gift boxes from Dollar Tree as well, and I'll be actually giving away these little boxes with the 2 serving of the candies. They are for some of the colleagues and my girls' teachers and some of my friends, and this will go along with the letter as well. So this is all the stuff for packaging which I used. So as my candy contain nuts, so they should know that it has nuts. So I use the back of the box to write this allergen information with the cute love note with that. And this is the letter which I already mentioned when I started doing this tutorial, which I got the idea from a Facebook friend, Lena. Thank you so much, Lena, for this wonderful idea, and thank you for letting me use this idea for my neighbors and my friends as well. So So what I did, I just roll the paper and then I tie a little ribbon around it, and this letter will go along with the boxes and the little teeny gift boxes as well. And if anyone wants to read the letter or want to use it, I'll leave the link down below for you guys. So here's my ice cube candies ready, and they're good to go. My boxes are ready for my friends and neighbors. My little cute candy tray is ready for my family and friends who are coming over for a holiday weekend. The whole idea behind this project is to spread the love and kindness. Whatever race, religion, nationality you belongs to, after all, we all are humans, and respecting each other is the key which can give us a better world in these tough times. And if you like this idea, if you try this recipe, or if you are trying to do the same with your neighbors, please let me know. And if you just want to share it and spread the word, and just sharing the video can spread the love around the world as well. I'll be really happy if you share it and let me know how you like this idea. And if you want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I'll try to make it happen. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Together we can spread the love and kindness. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, happy holidays. Thank you. Happy holidays. Thank you.